Let's solve this together. It says 15 to the power of x is equal to 45. How do we solve this? First things first, we can express 15 to be equal to 3 times 5. And then 45 we can express to be equal to 3 squared times 5. Okay? Substituting this for this and this in this equation, we have 3 times 5 all to the power of x to be equal to 45 is what? 3 squared times 5. Alright? Now from here we now have that if we take the logarithm of both sides, we have logarithm of 3 times 5 all to the power of x to be equal to logarithm of 3 squared times 5. Now moving on, if we state the laws of logarithm, we have that a law states that if you have logarithm of a times b, it can be written as logarithm of a plus logarithm of b. The next law is that if we have logarithm of z raised to power t, it is equal to t times the logarithm of z. Lastly, if we have logarithm of b over logarithm of a, it is equal to logarithm of b in the base of a. Okay, so we'll apply these three laws in solving this equation. Okay, now moving on, we now have this can be written as x, okay, from this second law, x times logarithm of 3 times 5 to be equal to, this one can be written as logarithm of 3 squared plus logarithm of 5. Now our x now will be equal to logarithm of 3 squared plus logarithm of 5 divided by logarithm of 3 times 5. Now there's a reason I don't split this, and you'll see in a second. Now x here can be equal to logarithm of 3 squared over logarithm of 3 times 5 is the same as logarithm of 15, right? Plus logarithm of 5 over logarithm of 15. Okay, now let's move on from here. So moving on, we now have that x will be equal to 2 times logarithm of 3 over logarithm of 15 plus logarithm of 5 over logarithm of 15. So x now will be equal to logarithm of 3 over logarithm of 15 plus logarithm of 5 over logarithm of 15. So this becomes the final answer to this given equation. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.